Good morning again. This is part 2 of the instructional videos. I'm going to show you how to do your escape the room activity. You're going to get 2 days for this, although you have an attendance form posted for each day that we're doing the activity. The escape the room is for renewable and non-renewable resources. You're going to first put your first and last name here. And your day today, the mission. The wind has stopped and the sun appears to be losing brightness at a rapid rate. Your teacher's evil twin has found a device that controls alternative energy sources. With an evil laugh, they tell you to try and answer the following questions and use the decoders to decipher the clues to help return the alternative energy sources back to normal. Good luck! Please keep in mind when they say alternative energy sources, they mean renewable energy sources. What I did for each station is I posted the questions, an image of the questions here. That way you can try and do things on paper if you so choose to do it first. But remember, you're going to need the code to move on. And I'll show you why in a moment. I'm going to give you one freebie to show you how to go about doing this. So each of these questions is listed below for you to answer put your answers in. So station 1, question 1 is exactly what it is up here. It says, what is a non-renewable energy resource? A, energy that comes from the sun. B, energy that comes from harnessing the movement of air. C, a source of renewable energy such as solar, geothermal, or wind energy. Or D, a source of energy that will eventually run out. When I think non-renewable energy, I remember back to the instructional video in the PowerPoint I showed you, and non-renewable energy sources run out because they took millions of years to form, and we're using them at such a rapid rate that they will eventually run out before we can ever make more of them. So the answer to station 1, question 1 is D. Now you might be wondering, why is it important that I get the correct letter here? And that's because when you've answered all of your station 1 questions, you're going to come down here and you're going to use station 1 diagram to help you. So use the table below to decipher the code. Use the letters to the right of your answer choice. Enter the 4-letter code to escape to the next room. Enter the question below. Capital letters, no spaces, no dashes. So your answer for number 1 was D. So if I look here at the letter D, that means the first letter in my code must be a capital P, which would go here. To verify that your codes are correct, there's a second site that you're going to be connected to right here. As you can tell, they're just about the same, but this is just for verifying your code. So for station 1, well, first of all, this is going to be your front page, just like it was in the Google form. For station 1, you're going to put your 4-letter code here, and you're going to try and verify that it's correct by hitting the next button. If you are not able to get through, that means something in your code is wrong. You're going to do this repeatedly for stations 1, 2, and 3. And then what's going to happen at the very end is you're going to get all the way through station 1, station 2, station 3. You can see why I'm giving you 2 days for this. Station 4, station 5. There are 4 questions for each station. What you're going to get at the very end is you're going to have to put in a verification code. So you're going to type in your verification code, and that's when I'm going to know that you got these all right, because the verification code on here will come from here. If you have any questions about this, I'm going to have office hours for this for both days. As I said, expect an attendance form for both days so I can mark you present just in case you forget to sign your attendance form with your homeroom teacher. I will also be around just if you want to check in on any work you're missing, any grades. Friday will be a makeup day as usual. Have a very nice day, and hopefully talk to you during office hours later.